Okay, so please take note of that. Now, since we're under the discussion of timestamps, and especially with the non-QV files, I'm going to teach you how to it's actually a shortcut on how to copy a timestamp from Express Scribe, so that you don't have to type the timestamp itself when you're transcribing a non-QV file. Okay, so how do you do that? So let us say shortcut for timestamping a non-QV file. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to follow is, of course, use Express Scribe always. Okay, so Express Scribe, the timestamp for Express Scribe is the format for the Express Scribe timestamp is the format that we are going to be using also for a non-QV file. Correct. Take note. This is only for a non-QV file. Okay, so let's open Express Scribe. So let us say this is your Express Scribe. So we are going to create some settings there so that it will be easy for you to copy a timestamp directly from Express Scribe. So let us say this is your file. This is just a file example. Okay. So what you're going to do first is click Options. This one found here at the very top. So you have File, Control, View, Notes, Bookmark Options. So click Options. A menu will appear, and you click System-wide Hotkeys. Okay, so it's System-wide Hotkeys. Click on that, and a menu that looks like this will appear. Okay, so what you're going to do is, once you're inside this menu, make sure that System-wide Hotkeys here is checked so that it will be enabled. So what you're going to do is press Add. Okay, now first you have to click on this drop-down list on the command. So what you're going to look for is the command for copy time. So it's this one. So copy time. Okay, so make sure this is the command that you're putting in here, and you're going to assign a key. So just click change. Now, it's up to you if what combination you are going to use, but just for uniformity's sake, I would advise the Control G combination. So you're just going to press Control, hold on it on your keyboard, and press G. So that's it. So if you notice, Control G. So after you have made that uh, you have set those you have put those settings into your Express Scribe, all you have to do is press OK. Okay, so you might be wondering what happened to that because actually I'm already using that Control G feature, so just skipping it. So for you, you have to press OK. Okay, and for me, I'm just gonna press cancel because that setting has already been set. Okay, so once you've done that, so you're going to go out of the system-wide hotkeys menu. So all you have to do is press OK. Now, the next thing to do now is to test if that function works. Okay, so I'm going to click on this file. So let's say I'm going to click on that. I'm going to play on it. Okay, so I'm playing on it right now. Now let's go back to our discussion notes. Let us say at this time the moderator is saying something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control G to copy the time in Express Scribe. Okay, so now once I've done that, what's the next step? Now, after you press Control G for copying it, then you have to paste that time that you copied in your document. Now there is only one formula for pasting something copied in your PC, and that's Control V. So what I'm going to do is press Control V, and that's the time. Okay, so Control plus G for copying express scribe time, and press Ctrl plus V for pasting copy time in your template. So let's try to use that again. So right now my express scribe is playing. Okay, so I'm gonna click it here. So let's say I'm going to copy the time just about now. So Control G, I press Control G, and want to paste the time in my discussion notes. So I'm just gonna press Control V. That's it. Okay, so the time that I copied from Express Scribe is 10 minutes 58.6 seconds, and I posted it here by pressing the Control V feature. So you use this feature or this technique every time you work on a non-QV file. Okay, since non-QV files with this naming convention will always follow this timestamp format. Okay, so use that technique so that it would be easier for you to copy time. You don't have to type on those numbers or on that time anymore on your templates. Okay, so that will definitely save you a lot of time when transcribing files. Okay, so I hope that information helps, and if you have problems or concerns regarding this, and if it's not clear, then just email me at francis.tirado@babbletype.com. Thank you very much and have a good day.